Hi, I'm Liam from Welco, and today we're going to build a Technequip knife gate valve. The first thing we're going to do is install the gate. First, we're going to align the gate, install the pin, and then work with the cotter. Then we're going to install the cylinder. We're then going to install the bolts onto the cylinder rods. We get them tight by hand first, and then we'll torque them to spec. Now that the cylinder's been installed, we're going to move on to the liners. Once the liner's set in, you then install the flange. Align to the countersunk bolts. I'm going to get these all started by hand and then finish them off with an Allen wrench. We're now going to repeat the process on the other side. And that's the assembly of a Technequip knife gate valve.